Ming Ming, Snowy, what are you doing there? Huh? What are you doing inside your room there? Okay, you're doing now? You hiding. You hiding inside. You hiding inside the cabinet. Are you happy there? Are you happy? Are you happy? Snowy.